एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 24 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु हैज़ बीन इलेक्टेड एज द न्यू चेयरमैन ऑफ द गुजरात कोऑपरेटिव मिल्क मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन, द पेरेंट बॉडी ऑफ अमूल? And the answer is Ashok Chaudhary. Second question. What is the name of the LIC scheme that has enrolled over 2 lakh women as Mahila Career Agents? And the answer is Bima Sakhi scheme. Third question. What is the Financial Inclusion Index value for financial year 2024-25 is released by the RBI? And the answer is 64.2. Fourth question. According to CRISIL, what is the projected GDP growth rate of India for financial year 2025-26? And the answer is 6.5%. Fifth question. Which bank has launched FCNR B deposits and Explorer saving accounts for NRI and seafarers? And the answer is Equitas Small Finance Bank. Sixth question. Which small finance bank has partnered with Shriram Life Insurance to act as its corporate agent? And the answer is ESAF Small Finance Bank. Seventh question. PhonePe recently launched co-branded credit cards in partnership with which credit card issuer? And the answer is SBI Card. Eighth question. The United States plan to withdraw from which global organization again by the end of 2026? And the answer is UNESCO. Ninth question. Who is the author of the book There's Nothing Like This, The Strategic Genius of Taylor Swift? And the answer is Kevin Evers. 10th question. Which company has partnered with AWS to build India's largest AI-enabled long-distance network? And the answer is Tata Communications. 11th question. What is the new name of Jindal Steel and Power effective from July 22nd, 2025? And the answer is Jindal Steel. 12th question. Geeta Gopinath was the deputy head of which of the following international organization who has resigned from her post? And the answer is IMF, and IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. 13th question. Recently from which country did the Indian Army receive the first batch of Apache helicopters? And the answer is America. 14th question. The recently launched book Green Gold, The Neem Pharmacy is authored by whom? And the answer is Dr. Viswaroop Roy. 15th question. Which anniversary of famous freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad was celebrated recently? And the answer is 119th. 16th question. Justice Tarlok Singh Chauhan was appointed as the 17th Chief Justice of which High Court? And the answer is Jharkhand High Court. 17th question. Which country recently declared India as its largest palm oil seed importer? And the answer is Malaysia. 18th question. Who has become the first Indian to win the Oscar for Magicians? And the answer is Suhani Shah. 19th question. In which country has the world's largest grain storage scheme in the cooperative sector been started? And the answer is India. 20th question. Which country has recently dropped out of UNESCO? And the answer is America. 21st question. Which state or UT has increased the cash awards for Olympic and Paralympic medal winners to promote youth empowerment in sports? And the answer is Delhi. 22nd question. National Income Tax Day is celebrated on which of the following days? And the answer is 24th July. 23rd question. Invictus Research Program is an initiative of which space organization? And the answer is European Space Agency. 24th question. Tuvalu Island that was recently seen in news is located in which ocean? And the answer is Pacific Ocean. And the last 25th question. What is the name of the AI-powered chatbot launched by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship? And the answer is Skill India Assistant. तो ये थे 24 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, रिसेंटली द आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया हैज डिक्लेयर्ड लुंगफुन रोपोई located in which state as a monument of national importance? Second question, Shashidhar Jagdishan belongs to which bank who has been declared as the highest paid banker in India in the financial year 2024-25? Third question, in which state is Islampur located which was recently renamed as Ishwarpur? Fourth question, Indian Space Research Organization with which country's space agency jointly developed Nisar Earth Observation Satellite which will be launched on July 30th? And the last fifth question, with which state has United Nations Development Program signed an agreement for disaster management? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।